Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever it is, wherever you are, welcome back to another video. As you can see from the title and the thumbnail, it is time to get some halos installed. So with that being said, let's get right into it. Side note, and for those of you guys who missed this install, it is on my Instagram, which I will add right here. Go check it out. It was super quick, super simple, and it was super easy. And it looks really good. The side-by-side from OEM to the carbon, beautiful. So in order to get this done, obviously we got to get the hood open, might have to take the front bumper off, and the headlights got to come out. So what we're gonna do is these headlights have to be heated up as well to melt that glue that kind of adheres both the lens and the actual light itself together. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And then I'm also probably going to respray or darken the housings on the inside as well. So let's go ahead and get this bumper off. Let's get to work. And boom, and just like that, it is off. Probably took me about 15 minutes just to get it off. So if you look down here, we got one tab here, we got to do another one. I have no idea how many we're gonna need to pull this off. I've never taken off my headlights on this car before, but hey man, I'm here for it. So I'm gonna do some digging and see what I gotta do, and I'll keep you updated. All right, so status update. I was able to get one of the headlights out. It was the passenger side. And between all the cooling and stuff going on here, this one was a BITC blank. So there was definitely a couple bolts in there that had to get done. It was these T-fittings right here, the stars. So we were able to knock out a lot of those. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there was one more at the bottom somewhere. So about 6 that we had to do per side. And then there was one bracket that went all the way, I think, pushed back here somewhere, that we had to also take out, and that was an 8 mil. So now that we knocked out all of that, I'm gonna go to the other side, get it done. Well, 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 look who it is. If it isn't the infamous Built by Ben. This guy's abandoned me. But in case you guys have been wondering where he's been at, he's been out doing his own thing. Well, well, well. For all of you guys wondering where this man has been, you want to give him an update on what you've been doing aside from your hair?
Working.
He abandoned us. He's abandoned us.
Oh.
What's been going on, Built by Ben? Talk to us.
Just been working.
Last time we saw you was in LA.
Been working.
He's dead. So now for a status update with this. We got both headlights out. It was a complete work of art. Now it's time to heat them up and do the disassemble. It's also about to pour, so I'm gonna try and bring some of this stuff inside. Luckily, I got the light out just in time for us to do all of the rest of the work inside. Hopefully by the time we finish swapping out all the interior pieces in the light itself, the rain will be done. We can come back out and do the install. All right, so we're gonna fast forward a lot. Got my man Dan over here doing surgery.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna put his Instagram right here. Go ahead and give him a follow. So what are we doing right now?
We are replacing lenses.
Yep.
We're also going to be blacking out the housing here. And we are going to be replacing the angel lights there. Should look really good.
Shit, I hope so. So rather than sticking these in the oven, we're gonna go with the heat gun method. So right now Dan is just taking off a lot of pieces that, you know, he doesn't want to get ruined, which is extremely smart. I didn't even think of that. I might have eventually, but at some point, but he's getting right to it because he's done this before on his E92 and it actually came out really good. And that was honestly one of the reasons why I decided to go with this kit, because of this guy right here too. So it all makes sense that he would come over here and help me throw them in. All right guys, so time for a quick update. Yeah, so all the pieces that were done over in chrome, we did them over in like the semi-gloss black, and they should be dried, so they look pretty decent enough. I really want to see what they look like when they're on. And then what's next is essentially, as you can see, all the surgery that we did there. So basically what's next is all the items that are just plug and play, and then once we get them in there, it's gonna be a wrap. Then I gotta put them right back in and throw that front bumper back on. All right, so my guy, what was the most tedious part about this so far? You've been in that chair for a little bit.
Getting this goddamn glue off out of here.
Really?
That's probably the worst part about it, to be honest.
So you can look at all of these wires here and all of these connections and not be phased at all, but the glue here is what gets you.
Nah, yeah.
Yo, you the man, bro. You a better man than me. So status update. We ended up getting all of the lights back in, at least for one side so far. We are about to finally get all the pieces together one time. I bought brand new lenses, like I said earlier, so we still got the plastic wrap on there. Got the carbon eyelid, essentially, on top. Oh man, it's about that time. It's about that time. All right, guys, I'm sure I probably look filthy. I feel filthy. Oh man, a lot of hours have passed, but I can tell you that both of the lights have been finished. Both of the lights are installed, and they look very, very nice. Man, it's super late. And I know you kind of already hear the music building up in the background, so cue the cinematics, Jamal. All right, so girlfriend test. You want to tell them what we're doing to the E36?
No, it's a surprise.
Tell them. It's not a surprise.
Oh.
Tell them, what do you think?
It's going under the knife.
All right, what are we doing?
The clutch. We're doing the DSSR.
Which is?
Nope, I don't have an answer right now. Nope.
It's a dual shift selector rod, DSSR.
Yep.
Okay, so we're doing the clutch, DSSR.
We're also doing your oil reservoir?
No, that's for the
Seal it?
M3.
Oh, that is for the M3. Oh, that wasn't for this one?
No.
We're doing your shifter,
Okay,
and we're doing the e-brake.
nice. Good job. Yeah. Got a lightweight flywheel in there.
Oh yeah, you gonna feel the difference with this.
So I really want to see what he thinks about this shifter when we go for a test drive. Kind of want him to get one too.